In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by opening an app called Files. If you never used it before, click on Continue, tap on Allow, and select this gray sweater next to Allow access to manage all files. Then click on Allow in the pop-up, and finally select Browse at the bottom in the middle. Lastly, click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!